Long before supplements and nutrition labels, the Bible clearly instructed the principles and the instructions on how to care for the gut microbiome from the inside out. Scripture has always emphasized the importance of stewardship, wisdom, moderation, and the body. Today, I'm going to share with you 4 biblical principles that are still applicable today, powerful today, and still relevant to gut health today. Hey everybody, if you're new here, my name is Sanaya and I am the holistic nutritionist that you have been looking for all along. I am the founder of Self Love Foundation, an academy for whole food teaching and natural food healing. I help high achievers master their gut health without starvation using the garden method. What's the garden method? The garden method is simply eating from earth. We eat the nuts, the berries, the trees, the herbs, the seeds, all of it from earth, how it grows, how it's harvested, and in its original form. But that's enough about me. Let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So principle number 1, the body is a temple and not a test subject. All right. So scripture reminds us that the body is a temple and that everything should not be put inside of this body. And it is meant to be honored, not constantly stressed, not constantly starved, or just pushed to the extreme. So hear me out. Your body is not designed to be a dump for stress foods, excess sugar, or constant inflammation. The scripture calls the body to be a temple. It's pointing to care, the reassurance, the reverence, and the intention. A healthy gut requires and honors digestion, absorption, and elimination all together. Listen, honoring the body as a temple starts with feeding it foods that support life and not survival mode. Principle number 2, food has already been given to us in its natural form. This is why I say we eat from the garden method. We eat from earth. We eat the nuts, the berries, the trees, the seeds, the herbs, okay? The fruits, before processed foods, before the additives, before all of these extra alternatives, there was the natural, the plant seeds, fruits, and herbs. Simply eating from earth supports digestion because it aligns with how the body is originally designed to receive its natural nourishment. These foods are rich in fiber, water, enzymes, and all the things that you could even imagine in order to support the gut microbiome in the way that it needs to be. When we eat these foods that are closer to its original form, digestion becomes easier, inflammation decreases, and the gut literally performs exactly how it needs to. All right, for principle number 3, moderation preserves the body. Even nourishing foods can become disruptive to the gut when awareness is not involved. All of the overeating, the constant snacking, and the emotional eating all over the place can put a large amount of stress on the gut and the nervous system together. This scripture reminds us that balance preserves function. A regulated gut thrives on rhythm, not excess. And when digestion is calm, clarity and energy will flow. So with gut health, this looks like eating enough just to feel nourished, avoiding all of the excess eating, overeating, and constant snacking, the emotional eating, and things like that in between. Moderation supports the blood sugar stability, healthy digestion, and sustainable energy. Your gut thrives when it's respected, not overwhelmed or neglected. And lastly, we have principle number 4. Rest and rhythm supports healing. Remember that your gut operates on a rhythm as well. When you eat, how often you eat, how well you rest, all influence your digestion. Chronic stress, rushed meals, and irregular eating disrupt the gut function. So just make sure that you slow down, eat intentionally, and give the body time to rest, to digest the food and absorb the nutrients that it needs to heal naturally. Remember this for me, gut health does not require force, it only requires alignment. And when we eat with nature, healing only happens in a matter of time. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check out my links down below in the description box. And I will see you all in the next video. Don't forget to keep it light, keep it cute, and full of fruit. Bye.